Hey everyone, did you know that March is all about celebrating women? It's Women's Month, a time to recognize the strength, resilience, and achievements of women across the world. From breaking barriers to making history, women continue to inspire and empower. Women empowerment is the process of giving women the ability to control their own lives, make independent decisions, and access opportunities for growth and development. It aims to promote gender equality and ensure that women have the same rights, responsibilities, and opportunities as men in all aspects of life: education, employment, politics, and leadership. What is the importance of women empowerment? First, it promotes gender equality, ensuring that women and men receive equal treatment in all areas of life, from education to employment, and even in leadership roles. Second, it strengthens the economy. When women are given the opportunity to work and start businesses, they contribute to economic growth. Third, it improves society's well being. Empowered women help build stronger families and communities by promoting education and better health for future generations. Fourth, it reduces poverty. When women have access to resources, education, and job opportunities, they can lift themselves and their families out of poverty. It encourages leadership and participation as well. Women's participation in politics and decision making leads to more inclusive and progressive policies. Despite progress, women still encounter various challenges, such as gender discrimination, limited access to education, workplace inequality, violence, and harassment. Now, how can we empower women? First is education for all. It ensures that every girl has access to quality education. Second, economic opportunities. It provides equal employment and business opportunities for women. Third, support women in leadership. It encourages women to take on leadership roles in politics, business, and social organizations. Next, fight against gender based violence. It promotes laws and initiatives that protect women from abuse and harassment. And finally, raise awareness. It educates society about women's rights and the importance of gender equality. Many women throughout history have made significant contributions to society, proving that empowerment leads to great achievements. Some inspiring examples include Malala, an advocate for girls' education; Gabriela Silang, a Filipino revolutionary leader who fought against Spanish colonization; Maria Ressa, a journalist who champions press freedom and truth. To sum it up, women empowerment is not just about giving women rights. It's about creating a society where everyone has equal opportunities to succeed. When women are empowered, they uplift families, communities, and the entire nation. And by advocating for gender equality, supporting women's education and careers, raising awareness, we can create a more inclusive and just society. I hope you learned something today. That will be all. Thank you so much.